Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Technik, complemented in the metallic Navarra Blue paintwork. Housing your petrol engine and manual transmission, delivering 95 PS, making this the perfect nippy city runaround or ideal as a first car. With plenty of top features, including enhanced visibility with your automatic LED headlights, and sitting comfortably on your 15-inch alloy wheels, you do also have the protection of power folding wing mirrors, followed in the boot area by a 335-litre capacity for daily essentials. And step into comfort with a full cloth upholstery with your fitted ice fix points. And in the front, you do have access to your 3-spoke leather multi-function steering wheel, and of course, a central touch display. Looking at the steering wheel in further detail, you can see an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit with all of your vital driving data and audio, with a similar access found on your central screen, including a wide variety of radio stations and Bluetooth connectivity to keep you connected on the go. You do also have further protection with your driving assistance features, followed just below by your manual air conditioning controls and the power outlets, and of course the central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.